Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we have to find x. So we have 3 raised to the power of 1 minus x over 9 raised to the power of minus 2x equal 1 over 9. Okay, so let's solve it. Now we have 3 raised to the power of 1 minus x, still the same, okay? And then 9 could be written as 3 square, and then all raised to the power of minus 2x, then equal to 1 over 3 square. Okay, so then we have to remember that when we have a to the power n and raised to the power m, then we will get a to the power n times with m. So here we will get 2 times with minus 2x, so we will get minus 4x. So then we will get 1 minus x over 3 minus 4x. Okay, and then we got 3 to the power of minus 2. Okay, so because when we have 1 over a to the power of n, that will be equal to a to the power of negative n. Okay, and now another formulas that we are going to use when we have the same base, a to the power m over a to the power of n, we will get a to the power m minus n. Okay, so then when we have the same base, which is 3, then we will get 3 to the power of 1 minus x, and then minus 4x equal to 3 to the power of negative 2. Then we will get 1 minus x plus 4x equal to 3 to the power of negative 2. And then we got 1 plus 3x equal to 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so then when we have the same base, okay, so when we have a raised to the power x equal to a raised to the power of y, so when we have the same base, we can cancel the base and we will get x equal to y. Okay, all right, so then now we will get 1 plus 3x equal to minus 2. All right, and then 3x equal to minus 2 minus 1, and then x equal to minus 3 over 3, x equal to negative 1 is the answer. Okay, so therefore x equal to negative 1 is the answer. Now I have solved this problem and I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.